YouTube isn't just cat videos today. We're going way beyond the YouTube you thought you knew. Fact number 1, YouTube almost started as a dating site called Tune-In Hookup. Swipe left on that idea. Next up, the very first YouTube video was... Yep, it's literally a guy talking about elephants. Fact 3, Google bought YouTube for $1.65 billion just a year after it launched. That's a lot of zeros for cat videos. Now the most viewed video ever? Over 10 billion views. Do you believe it? YouTube loves a good prank. They've fooled users every April Fool's Day, even pretending to shut down. Here's a big one. YouTube is the world's second largest search engine right after Google itself. The longest video on YouTube, over 571 hours long. That's almost 24 days. Who's got that kind of time? Before it was huge, YouTube's office was literally above a pizza place. Talk about extra cheese. Tony Blair was the first world leader on YouTube in 2007. And finally, YouTube was inspired by a Janet Jackson wardrobe malfunction. Bet you didn't see that coming. Which fact blew your mind? Tell us in the comments, and don't forget to hit subscribe for more awesome trivia.